This is Charles. His friends call him Chuck, and his employees call him Mr. Midas. Why? Well, you see, Chuck is a killer boss. Chuck is focused on making money, increasing sales to grow his business, improving his products and services to stay ahead of his competitors, making sure that his employees are doing their jobs, and of course, making more money. He's so busy juggling the day-to-day demands of his business and doing the things that he does best that he fails to focus on some other important things. Everything seemed to be going well and everyone seemed to be happy when suddenly, things started happening. Environmental regulators began appearing at his door complaining that the waste that he was generating was polluting the air and streams nearby, and his workers started having work-related injuries which cost him a lot. His productivity was greatly affected, and as insurance costs began to skyrocket, these problems were affecting him and the company, making the once profitable business not so profitable anymore. He knew about some of the many different environmental and safety regulations, but he never had a problem before. In fact, he delegated the environmental and safety management to Dave, his superstar operations manager. But Dave was busy handling the daily operations of the company, project management, scheduling, budgeting, forecasting, and customer service. He wore many hats and is good at being an operations manager, but is not an environmental or a safety professional. What should we do? Chuck is so confused. Dave told Chuck about one of their vendors that had a similar problem, but things had really turned around for them. Yeah, they called ES Squared. ES Squared is a safety and environmental consulting firm that specializes in safety solutions such as accident investigations, construction safety management, electrical safety, emergency preparedness, ergonomics, excavation safety, fall protection, fire protection and prevention, first aid CPR, machine guarding, safety policy and procedure development, OSHA compliance, OSHA 10 and 30-hour trainings, as well as risk management and workers' comp consulting. And environmental solutions such as air, chemical, material sampling, emergency response spill management, energy auditing consulting, groundwater monitoring, hazardous materials consulting, indoor air quality assessments, industrial hygiene services, lead inspections, petroleum storage tank PST consulting, Phase 1, 2, and 3 environmental site assessments, soil and groundwater remediation, stormwater pollution prevention plans, and waste management consulting. ES Squared provides solutions for various types of companies and organizations, from construction, manufacturing, and oil and gas companies to local, state, and federal governments. Chuck was extremely happy with what ES Squared did for his company. He couldn't believe how more efficient his company became when he let his employees do the job they were good at and let the professionals at ES Squared handle the environmental and safety management. And as an added value, Chuck could use ES Squared's many business certifications to fulfill his client participation goals. Chuck now continues to make more money, give better service, and be assured that his workers are safe, and he's also helping the earth be a better place to live in.